Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Shen Menteri Rangba bat usembut Menteri Rangba jong kejela kin select sedali na kebenta bat kerpan ika sorkar India bahkan bahak pisa jingerap ika jela Meghalaya hadin baka sorkar kala penlun hadu lais pak kendai pukundai kelur kepisa haga bayi kuntma persya ika jingpang kelam covid khat kendai haga jingi keren bat kilat pathai kubor haga nyu terik ubnai risau arjar arpo usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ba prestun tensong uli yatho baka sorkar kan sepen sengauru hakamat ke sorkar India ika jingdon kam jong kejela Meghalaya kenang baka sorkar kan dubla ban peteng ya ke jingi kun persya ya ke jingpang covid khat kendai.
CM and myself, we will go back to Delhi. Again, we'll request the government of India to kindly further consider releasing of financial help to the state government. The calculation from the government of India is totally different. They don't have that kind of system where, okay, for Meghalaya, as far as COVID-19 is concerned, this much amount will be sanctioned, or for Assam, this much amount. It is not there. So they have their own system of calculation. Yeah, almost 3 crores rupees. As I said, the target is we are going to operationalize this entry point on or before 15th of December.